Step 1. Check engine oil. Once the generator has fully cooled, remove the left side cover to access the service area. Open the oil drain plug. Place an oil collection tray underneath, and allow the old engine oil to drain completely. After draining the old engine oil, add fully synthetic engine oil. Please note that the generator's oil capacity is 0.6 L. Replace after the first 20 hours or 1 month of use, and then every 6 months or 100 hours thereafter. The engine oil needs to be filled up to the bottom of the threaded opening. Or after adding oil, use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is above the 80% mark. If the oil level is below the recommended range, top it up promptly. Install the dipstick and wipe away any remaining oil. Step 2. Clean the air filter. Open the air filter cover and remove the foam cartridge. Clean it with an approved solvent or gasoline, then allow it to dry in a well-ventilated area. Once dry, reinstall it securely to maintain proper airflow and ensure efficient engine performance. The air filter should be cleaned every 6 months or 100 hours. Step 3. Check spark plugs. Slide open the spark plug maintenance cover. Remove the spark plug cap and use a spark plug socket wrench to remove the spark plug. It may be a little tight the first time you remove it, which is normal. After removing the spark plug, check the spark plug head for carbon deposits or oil stains. Clean the electrodes with WD-40 and make sure they are completely dry before reinstalling. Measure the plug gap with a caliper. The proper gap is 0.6 to 0.7 millimeters, 0.024 to 0.028 in. If the spark plug is damaged or cannot be cleaned effectively, replace it with a new one. Spark plugs should be inspected every 6 months or after 100 hours of operation. And it is recommended to replace them every 2 years or after 300 hours of operation. Finally, reinstall the spark plug, tighten it securely, and attach the spark plug cap. Close the spark plug maintenance cover. We still strongly recommend adjusting the inspection and replacement schedule based on your actual usage. In high load or harsh environments, performing maintenance earlier can reduce failures and extend the generator's lifespan.